एवरीवन, आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 9th हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर नंबर 3 नाजिज्म एंड द राइज ऑफ हिटलर। इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को पढ़ेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट वाज जेनोसिडियल वॉर? आंसर, इट वाज अ वॉर स्टार्टेड बाय जर्मनी ड्यूरिंग द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर which resulted in the mass murder of selected groups of innocent civilians of Europe. Next question, what was the impact of the First World War on the political system of Germany? Answer, the abdication of the emperor gave an opportunity to parliamentary parties to recast German polity. A democratic constitution was established with a federal structure. Next question, name the members of the Axis powers. Answer, Germany, Italy and Japan. Next question, name the members of the Allies. Answer, England, France and Russia. Next question, what refers to the secret state police of Germany? Answer, Gestapo. Next question, what is hyperinflation? Mention the factor responsible for this. Answer, it is a situation when there is a very high price rise. It occurred in Germany after the First World War due to too much printing of currency. Next question, what was the enabling act which was passed by Hitler after he took control over Germany? Answer, the enabling act was passed in 1933. It gave Hitler all powers to sideline the parliament and the rule by decree. All political parties and trade unions were banned except the Nazi party. Next question, name the treaty which was signed by the Allies with Germany after the First World War. Answer, the Treaty of Versailles. Next question, when was the Tripartite Pact signed? What was its importance? Answer, it was signed in 1940 between Germany, Italy and Japan. It strengthened Hitler's claim to international power. Next question, the new republic established in Germany after the First World War was not received well by its own people. Give reason. Answer, because the new republic signed the Treaty of Versailles accepting all the demands of the Allies. Next question, who supported the Weimar Republic? Answer, Socialist, Communist and Democrats. Next question, why was the new Weimar Constitution introduced in August 1919 weak? Answer, due to availability of much political party, frequent changes of government and difficulty to establish stability, Weimar Constitution introduced in August 1990 became weak. Next question, what is the term used for the German parliament? Answer, Reichstag. Next question, why was the Treaty of Versailles hated by Germany? Answer, because Germany lost 75% of its iron and was demilitarized. Next question, in Weimar Republic, which right was not given to the president according to the Article 48? Answer, install communalism. Next question, among whom Tripartite Pact which strengthened Hitler's claim to international power was signed? Answer, Germany, Italy and Japan. Next question, when did Hitler become the Chancellor of Germany? Answer, 1933. Next question, what was Free Corps? Answer, it was a war veterans organization which helped the Weimar Republic to crush the uprising of the workers or socialists. Next question, which year is known for the beginning of the Great Depression? Answer, 1929. Next question, Mention two provisions of Article 48 with reference to Germany. Answer. It was the President to impose emergency. It provided power to President to suspend civil rights. Next question. Who was assigned the responsibility of economic recovery by Hitler? Answer. Hjalmar Schacht. Next question. When did Germany withdraw herself from the League of Unions? Answer. 1933. Next question. Who was the propaganda minister of Hitler? Answer. Goebbels. Next question. Hitler integrated which two nations under the slogan One People, One Empire and One Vote? Answer. Austria and Germany. Next question. The Weimar Constitution had some inherent defects which made it unstable and vulnerable to dictatorship. Explain. Answer. The system of proportional representation made achieving a majority by any one party a near impossible task, leading to the rule by coalitions. Article 48 gave the President the power to impose emergency. So, this article was being misused by the ruler. Next question. Where was Hitler born? Answer. Austria. Next question. Why was the famous Enabling Act passed? Answer. To establish dictatorship in Germany. Next question. Name any four races or people who were considered undesirable or inferior in Germany. Answer. Jews, blacks, gypsies, Russians. Who were known as November criminals. Answer. The group of people who mainly supported the Weimar Republic of Germany were known as November criminals. Most of them were socialists, Catholics and Democrats. Next question. What was Dawes Plan? Answer. It was a plan introduced by America to bail Germany out of the financial crisis which it suffered after the First World War. Next question. Name any four countries which were occupied or attacked by Germany between 1936 to 1945. Answer. Rhineland, Austria, Sudetenland, Poland. Next question. Why were the Jews classified as undesirable by the Nazis? Answer. The Jews were classified as undesirable by the Nazis because they had been stereotyped as the killers of Christ and usurers. Next question. Which science was introduced to justify Nazi ideas of race? Answer. Racial science. Next question. To whom did Mahatma Gandhi had written a letter for international peace? Answer. Hitler. Next question. Nazism became a mass movement during the Great Depression period. Give reason for the same. Answer. It was during the Great Depression that Nazism became a mass movement. The Depression had a severe impact on the economy of Germany. Many banks collapsed and businesses shut down. Workers lost their jobs and the middle classes were threatened with destitution. In such a situation, Nazi propaganda stirred hopes of a better future. Next question. Who was the founder of Nazi Party? Answer. Hitler. Next question. Define Holocaust. Answer. These were Nazi killing operations which were carried out to kill the Jews. Next question. When did Japan attack Pearl Harbor? Answer. 9 December 1941. Next question. What was the reason for the entry of US in Second World War? Answer. Japan bombed Pearl Harbor. Next question. Which incident marked the end of the Second World War? Answer. The war ended in May 1945 with Hitler's defeat and the US dropping of the atom bomb on Hiroshima in Japan. Next question. Who was Helmut? Answer. Helmut was an 11-year-old German boy who overheard his parents' discussion on whether the entire family should be killed or only his father should commit suicide. Next question. Who was Helmut's father? Answer. Helmut's father was a Nazi and supporter of Adolf Hitler. Next question. Nazism was a system. Explain. Answer. Nazism did not consist of few isolated acts. It was a structure of ideas about the world and politics. Next question. Who was Goebbels? How did Hitler and Goebbels meet their end? Answer. Goebbels was the propaganda minister of Hitler. They, along with Goebbels' family, committed suicide collectively in Hitler's Berlin bunker in April 1945. Next question. Why was International Military Tribunal set up at Nuremberg at the end of the war? Answer. The International Military Tribunal was set up at Nuremberg by the Allies to prosecute Nazi war criminals for crime against peace, for war crimes and crimes against humanity. Next question. Name the countries which formed the Axis powers during the Second World War. Answer. Germany, Italy and Japan formed the Axis power. Next question. Explain genocidal war. Genocidal war means killing on large scale leading to elimination of large section of people.